Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to edit duration of photos on TikTok on phone. The first thing you want to do once on TikTok, you're going to tap on the plus like you'll normally do to upload photos. Then you're going to tap on upload in the bottom right hand corner. And from here you're going to select the photos that you would like to upload. So you're going to tap on photos in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on select multiple in the bottom left hand corner, and you're going to tap on the photos that you would like to upload, and you're also going to select a video. You're just going to select a random video. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After doing this, you're going to tap on the X. You want to remove any sound that they had added. So you're going to tap on to remove the sound at the top. Then you're going to tap on Enhance Editor in the top right hand corner. And from here, all you have to do is simply drag the duration on the timeline beside the photo. As you can see right here, you can simply drag it. So tap on the photo, then you're going to drag it to the right to increase duration. And after doing that and increasing the duration of the photos, you are going to tap on the random video that you had added, and you are going to tap on delete in the bottom right hand corner. Now you'll be able to add sound and you'll be able to edit the photos any other way that you want. Then you are going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. And from here you are going to tap on next to continue uploading. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.